Let's make a s'mores tag out of this Christmas stuff I found in my craft room. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I had this in my stash, and we're going to measure it. It's about 6 inches long by about 2.5 inches wide. I'm going to remove the little tag holder thing. I have some printable vinyl. I'm going to print out these words, making s'more memories. Before I apply it, though, I'm going to do a sanding on the part that says Be Merry. If you sand this, it'll come right off, but you don't have to. You could just paint it. I was just being lazy. I was being lazy, but really I did more work. Isn't that always the way? Well, anyways, we sand it off entirely-ish, and that's what we have. I wipe it down, and then I cut down my little making s'more memories, and then we're going to take the backer off, and we're going to apply it to our little tag. I love going through my craft room because then I find all these treasures I forgot I had, which, again, Christmas stuff, but that's all right. So many people are doing Christmas now, like Christmas in July. Well, I'll do Christmas, but it's still summer, so whatever. Anyway, so all I'm doing here is just adhering this vinyl to the tag, and then I sanded off the edge. I suppose I could have been more careful about measuring and just measured it properly, but instead, no. That's why God made sanding blocks, and I will use them to his glory. Doodle-doo-doo. And if you're curious, this is a sanding block I got from Dollar Tree, and it came with that handle and the sanding block. Can you believe it? I know. All right, so there it is. Ta-da! Perfect. Then I'm going to take, I know this is going to sound crazy, but I had these little rollers. They're paint rollers from Dollar Tree. And I just put a little of the antiquing wax on it, and I'm just going around the edges. I'm trying to make it look not dirty, even though it kind of looks dirty, but that's okay. I was trying to make it look like a toasted marshmallow. I think it looks like a toasted marshmallow-ish. It's fine. I think it's kind of cute. I think it's cute. We're good. It's okay. So I just did this all the way around. You could do the same thing with a sponge or, goodness, even a cloth, I would assume. So there's that. Perfect. All right. So next I have a little piece. This is a piece of cork. There was a scrap piece I had. So all I'm going to do, and I also have a little wooden bead. I'm just going to cut probably 1-inch squares-ish. I was not fussy on figuring out what it was. Then I popped a hole in the center. I'm using my crocodile to do this, but you could use anything really to pop a hole in there. And then I put my tapestry needle on and put some jute in it. And then we're going to lace the cork, then a white bead, and then we're going to do cork again. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. So then after we do that, here it is, our little stack, that I'm going to drip some of my hot glue. We want it to drip. I want it to be gloppy because then we're going to let it dry, and then I'm going to paint it with some brown and make it look like chocolate. Then I glued it to the top piece of cork, and then I put a little more glue and then glued the bottom. Look at it. It's a little s'more. I love it. So then I take that jute and I'm just stapling it to the back of our tag. The other little hanger was stapled too, so I figured why not just go with it. I had a little glue just for added, what's it called? Security. And then I tied it to our little bucket we made the other day and quit it. Look at how cute this is. It's so cute. I love it. Even though I don't like s'mores, I like this. Tell me in the comments if you don't like s'mores too. I know, I'm crazy. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.